Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video, I'm going to share with you some interesting things you need to know about Cake Monster. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so Cake Monster, guys, is a new DeFi protocol, okay, in the smart chain, Binance Smart Chain. And here, I'm just going to give you a very short background na about this protocol. So yung mangyayari dito guys, their starting supply of Monsta, that is their token Monsta. Their starting supply is 10 billion. Okay? And then the token is deflationary. When you say deflationary, there is an elimination process. Meaning, bababa ng bababa yung supply ng token no, in the future, in the coming days. And uh, that would result to an increase of the value of the coin. Yan yung impact. Di ba? Sa law of supply and demand, yan. Pag maraming supply, of course, mababa yung value. Pag maliit lang yung supply, mataas yung kanyang value sa market. Okay? So that is their concept when it comes to their token na Monsta. Okay? Deflationary siya. So yung kanilang starting supply, guys, is 10 billion. Ayan. So every time, guys, yung maganda dito, every time na you make transactions with the Monsta token, 2.5% of it will be burned. Okay, mawawala siya. And then 2.5% of it will be taxed, no? At saka para saan ba itong tax ni Cake Monster? Kaya mangyayari, dalawa yung mangyayari sa tax na yon. Okay, dalawa yung paggagamitan ng tax na yon. Una, ayan, mapupunta siya sa liquidity pool. Ayan. And then, pangalawa, gagamitin siya para makabili ng cake na token. I guess you're familiar with cake na token. The worth of a cake token now is at, I guess, 620 pesos, no? Nasa ganyan na siya. And yan, no? The tax will be used to buy that token, that a very valuable token, okay? Especially sa Pancake Swap. And the cake that will be bought, no, using the tax, ayan, will be put in a gravity vault, no? Tapos every time, guys, yung 10 billion na supply ng Monsta token ay maggamit, no, mag-reduce siya ng 1%, yung mga Monsta holders will get a reward, no? They will get a reward na cake. Okay, magkakaroon sila ng cake. They will receive cake, no, for being a Monsta holder. Every time na yung 1% ng total supply of Monsta token is used. Alright? And then, kapag umabot na sa minimum, yung pinaka-minimum supply nila ng Monsta is 1 million. Kapag umabot na dyan na point, yung nabili, okay, yung total number of cake bought, tapos na-store doon sa gravity vault will be distributed to all Monsta holders. Okay, yan yung maganda sa kanilang protocol. Ayan. Now, so let's try to explore. Ayan. They have this a white paper, and if you want to read the white paper, I guess we don't have time anymore, no, to really read everything here in this video. Okay, so ang price ngayon, guys, ng isang Monsta token is 0.0166410 centavos. Murang-mura pa siya, guys, no? And how are you going to buy Monsta token? So madali lang siya actually. So you just have to go to Pancake Swap. Ayan. And then you just have to connect your MetaMask. Ayan, no? Connected na tayo kay MetaMask. And then you just have to select a currency. Tapos, punta ka doon sa Google, i-search mo lang yung Monsta contract address. Okay? And then, lalabas si BSC scan, click mo lang siya, and then you just have to copy this, itong contract na to. Yan, copy mo yan, and then you just have to paste it here. And wait. Ayan, no? And then you just have to click import. I understand, import. And then you just have to swap your BNB with Monsta. Yan. So 0.02 na worth of BNB, that's 21,676 worth of Monsta already. Okay, and then you just have to click swap and then confirm sa MetaMask wallet mo. And then you already have your Monsta. Okay, and again, you just have to go to your MetaMask. You have to add a token. i-copy mo, add token lang doon sa iyong MetaMask, no? I-copy mo yung contract address ni Monsta. Ayan, sa BSC scan. Copy mo yung contract address niya, paste mo lang doon sa token, and then add token, and then the amount of token you swapped with BNB will reflect on your MetaMask wallet. Okay, ganun na siya kadali, guys. And then, kung ila-launch up mo siya, ayan, mapupunta ka dito. So, i-connect mo lang din ito sa iyong MetaMask wallet. So, this is your dashboard. Ito yung kanyang current price. Now, you will be updated actually dito sa kanilang app, which is a very good thing. Kasi kasi ano siya, very madali lang, no? Hassle-free. And then market cap nila ngayon, holders, there are 4,353 holders already of Monsta token. Ayan, no? Current supply is 9 billion. So, 10 billion yung kanilang starting supply. So, kapag mag 1 million yan siya, sigurado, no, tataas yung kanyang value. Ayan. And then, this is my wallet. I just want to show you. Ayan. I already have 9,500 Monsta, no? Just to start. And then, dito sa kitchen, guys, ayan, no, maganda dito. Ito siyang pancake sweetness. So, every time this, guys, every time this reaches 100%, you can click make and then you will get a reward. Pero, isa lang yung pwedeng chef dito, no? I actually tried 3 times, pero hindi ko talaga siya makuha. Nauunahan ako palagi. And, kapag mag 100%, ito nasa 10,000 monster ata yung makukuha mo. Ayan. And then, so far dito, ito siyang cake. This is the amount of cake you are eligible to claim when the monster supply reaches 1 million. No? And your share increases as the gravity vault increases. So, meron akong na-receive ng 0.02 cake. So, nasa around 13 pesos ata siya ngayon. Ayan. So, that's it, no? And then, you go to crumbs. Ayan, you just have to wait for this to reach 100% and then you will receive another reward here. Okay? So, this is the current amount of cake waiting to be claimed. The more the protocol deflates and the more monster you hold, the bigger your cake crumbs become. So, cake yung magiging reward mo dito. Okay? As you hold your monster. Makuhold ka lang talaga ng monster mo. Okay? And also, guys, they have this airdrop. Ayan, fifth na, no, na airdrop nila. Wala pang update dyan. You can check through Twitter for it to be updated. And also, they have these charts. Maganda, no? Maganda. Very organized yung kanilang application. Ayan, the burn, supply and price history, burn history, and so on. Ayan, guys, no? Also, I just have something to share with you. This auto cash out. So, if you're an inactive holder of Monsta, guys, i-auto cash out nila yung iyong Monsta. Okay? So, you have 50 days to you are given 50 days. Tapos, after 50 days, kapag inactive ka na Monsta holder, they will take your Monsta from you. Okay, guys. So, ito yung mangyayari sa kanilang automatic cash out. For example, you have to be an active Monsta holder. Okay? And then, you have to do transactions such as buy, sell, and then swap no Monsta. And if you fail to do that within 50 days, there is an automatic cash out. So what's gonna happen is 95% of your Monsta will be converted to BNB. Okay, and then the 5% will remain to you. Yung 5% na Monsta will remain to you. And then yung 95% na sinwap, no, with BNB will be burned. Okay, yan yung mangyayari. Kasi deflationary yung ating token. Okay, so that's the nature of this automatic cash out. All right, so you have to be an active Monsta holder also. And guys, no, so that's it about Cake Monster. So if you're interested, you can go and try to invest here. All right, so thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope that this video has been informative to everyone. So thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye!